Narcotics and Affairs of Bodar seized large quantity of contraband drugs from different locations. Acting on specific information, a team of NAB arrested one drug smuggler along with 580 grams of heroin powder from Tidim Road near Kwakatel Police Outpost, Imphal West. The arrested has been identified as M. Thangson Mong Jao, 46, son of Hangkokam Jao of More Ward No. 2, Technopole District. The NAB team also arrested one drug smuggler along with 1.3 grams of brown sugar near Krishna Premi Oil Pump, Moirangkhom last evening around 8:40. The arrested person has been identified as Lungning Thang Haukip, 23, son of Pauhao Haukip of S. Chajang, Modbung, G. Saparmaina, Kangpokpi District. Cases has been registered at NAB police station and investigations are on, police sources said. 9 football players from Manipur are among a 23-member national team who have been selected to participate in the India Under-15 for the exposure tour to Thailand from July 27 to August 10, 2019. President of All Manipur Students Union MSU, Peter Laishram, has been appointed as new convener of the Joint Students Coordination Committee, a conglomerate of 4 major student bodies: MSU, MSF, SUK and KSA. In a formal charge handing over function held at MSF office, the outgoing JSCC convener, Manjit Sarangthem, handed over the charge of convener to Peter Laishram. The monsoon session of the Assam Vidhan Sabha Assembly kick-started from today, which will continue till August 1. The first day of the Vidhan Sabha witnessed unrest situations as the opposition staged a protest at the beginning hours of the assembly session against the flood situation in Assam. Guwahati, the capital city of Assam, might soon have air connectivity with 4 international cities. This became evident after the centre has recently invited bid from airline operators to run operations on routes connecting Guwahati with 4 international cities. The connectivity will be done under the much-hyped Uran scheme. This is the second time that such bid was invited by the central government.